Welcome to today's video, in which we'll look at the beloved and iconic Dutch snack, the frikandel. This sausage-like snack is a staple in Dutch cuisine, and it can be found in almost every snack bar and restaurant across the country. Frikandel history. The frikandel was introduced in the Netherlands in the 1950s and quickly became a popular snack item. Originally made from leftover meat scraps, frikandel is now typically made with a combination of chicken, pork, and beef. The meat is ground up and mixed with spices, breadcrumbs, and other ingredients to make the frikandel. After shaping the mixture into a sausage-like shape, it is deep fried until crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Frikandel is commonly served with French fries and on a white bread bun with mayonnaise, ketchup, and diced onions. It can also be eaten as a quick snack on its own. Variations. While the traditional frikandel is still the most popular, there are also variations that include different flavors and ingredients. The frikandel is more than just a snack in the Netherlands. It is a cultural icon. It's a must-try for anyone visiting the country, and it'll definitely satisfy your cravings for a savory and satisfying snack. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something interesting about the frikandel. Please remember to subscribe for more street food content.